Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're covering fence finishes, what they are and why they matter. Let's dive in. Stain finishes enhance the wood's natural beauty and offer protection against weathering. They penetrate the wood, providing rich color and defense from elements. Plus, they're easy to refresh. Painted finishes give you a range of color choices and create a solid barrier against moisture and UV rays. While they offer strong protection, they may need touch-ups over time. Natural finishes maintain the wood's original look but require regular maintenance. They showcase the wood's grain but need frequent care to prevent weathering. Vinyl coatings are great for metal fences. They make them rust-resistant and low-maintenance, and come in various colors, providing a clean, durable finish. Powder coating applies a tough, protective layer to metal fences, resisting chipping and fading. It's highly durable and available in many colors. Pressure-treated finish protect wood from moisture and insects. Ideal for harsh conditions, it can be stained or painted for a custom look. Selecting the right finish can boost your fence's durability and style. For more tips, like, subscribe, and check out our playlist. Need help? Contact us on this number or visit our website. See you next time.